In order to attract optimism and abundance into one's life, the law of attraction has grown in popularity in recent years. It is founded on the idea that opposites attract and that our thoughts and feelings have the ability to make our desires come true. We'll look at the foundations of the law of attraction, its tenets, and how to use it in your life in this post. Let's begin with the law of attraction's basic tenets. We all consist of energy, and this energy vibrates at a particular frequency, according to the law of attraction. Good and negative emotions bounce at different frequencies, with positive emotions vibrating at a higher frequency. According to the law of attraction, we attract wonderful experiences into our life when we put our attention on positive ideas and feelings. On the other hand, when we concentrate on negative feelings and thoughts, negative outcomes occur to us. The law of attraction is not a magic trick that will grant your demands without any work on your part. You must act and make sure that your ideas, feelings, and deeds are in line with your desires. The following actions can help you use the law of attraction in your life. 1. Establish your goals. The first step in using the law of attraction is to establish your goals for the things you wish to bring into your life. Be straightforward and concise in expressing your desires. 2. Visualize. Imagine that you already have what you want. To clearly visualize what you want, use all of your senses. Consider how you would feel in that situation. 3. Believe. Have faith that you can achieve your goals. Faith that it will come to you from the universe. 4. Take action. Take action to achieve your objectives. Inspired action is how the law of attraction functions. In order to achieve your goals, you must take action. 5. Gratitude. Try being thankful for the things you already have in your life. Being thankful boosts your vibration, which draws in more fortunate events. 6. Let go. Let go of any unfavorable feelings or thoughts that might be preventing your desires from coming to pass. Have faith in the universe's plan for you. A potent technique for attracting optimism and wealth into your life is the law of attraction. Keep in mind that to achieve it, you must align your ideas, feelings, and behavior with your desires. You can bring your aspirations to life by adhering to the law of attraction's basic tenets and taking motivated action toward your objectives. By the way, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.